If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. The Collection Manager is available in all versions of Sage 50 Accounting. This manager helps you track and collect your receivables from customers. To open the Collection Manager in Sage 50 Accounting, select Analysis, Collection Manager from the menu bar. The Collection Manager provides you with both a numeric bracket and graphic analysis of your accounts receivable. In the secondary toolbar at the top of the window, you can click the graph option next to the Display choice to view the information as a graph. To the right of that, use the drop-down to select the graph style. You can select either pie, bar, or column. To the right of that, you can use the Show drop-down to select to show all aging, a prior month comparison, or a prior year comparison. You can use the As of Date calendar selector to choose as of which date to display aging. If you prefer a numeric display of this data, you can select the Numeric option at the left end of the secondary toolbar at the top of the Collection Manager window to display the information as numeric aging brackets. You can then use the Show and As of Date drop-downs to select the date range of data to display within the Collection Manager. In the primary toolbar at the top of the Collection Manager, you can click the Bracket button to view the information within the aging brackets shown. You can then use the Days Past Due drop-down that appears within the secondary toolbar to select which aging bracket to view. The aging brackets you can select are 0 to 30, 31 to 60, 61 to 90, over 90 days, and total. When viewing the information within a selected bracket, you can view the associated customer information for a row within the bracket by first clicking the row that contains the desired receivable, and then clicking the Source button in the primary toolbar at the top of the window. Doing that then shows the selected customer's information with any receivables they have due within the selected bracket. You can select a desired receivable from this list, and then click the Detail button in the primary toolbar at the top of the window to open the source receivable in a new window. You can then close this window when you have finished examining it. You can also use this window to send collection letters to customers within the selected aging brackets. To do this, first select the desired aging bracket within the Collection Manager. Then click the Letter checkbox at the far right end of any customers to whom you want to send a collection letter. After selecting the customers, click the Letter button in the primary toolbar at the top of the window. In the Print Forms Collection Letters dialog box that appears, click the Select Form button to open another dialog box where you can select the collection letter to print. Then click the OK button to return to the Print Forms Collection Letters dialog box. Then click the Print button at the right side of the dialog box to print the letters. Remember to click the Subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.